Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Grubhub for iPhone and set delivery preferences, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Grubhub for your iPhone, open the App Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type Grubhub in the search bar and hit enter. Locate the Grubhub app in the search results. Tap on the Get button next to the app. If prompted, authenticate your download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to download and install on your iPhone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Grubhub. To set your delivery preferences, start by signing in or creating a new account. After signing in, navigate to the main menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Account from the menu options. Scroll down to find Delivery Preferences and tap on it. Here, you can enter your default delivery address. If necessary, tap Add Address to input a new location. You can also set delivery instructions, such as gate codes or preferred drop-off spots. Adjust your preferred payment method by selecting Payment within the account settings. Review and confirm your settings to ensure they are accurate. Now, you're ready to start ordering on Grubhub with your preferred delivery options set. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.